Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope all you fine. Today I'm here with a new topic. The topic that we are going to do, it is very necessary for the creative writing as well. So let's start our topic. Okay, today we will learn about sentence. Okay, so sentence is very necessary for writing and speaking as well. So it is also necessary for the creative writing, that what kind of writing we are writing. So it is very helpful in creating. For that purpose we have to scale on this sentence. Once we know the sentence, then yes, definitely we will be able to write a writing in different tones. So we can speak in different tones. So yes, for that we have to scale on the sentence. Okay, so before yes, now start our topic. Then what actually the word sentence mean? Okay, sentence is a set of words that makes complete sense. Now what does it mean by makes complete sense? It means that give you a complete idea. Now the words of a set of words means that you're reading the set of words which give you a complete meaning. But how it give you a complete sense, how it give you a complete idea? Like here we have example. For example, as you can see, the first one, the sky is, yes, the sky is what? Now it is not giving you a complete meaning. You can say not complete, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, the sky is what the sky is. So here there is no complete meaning, and it is not giving you a complete sense. As you can see, the second one as well, he writes. Okay, fine, he writes, but he writes what? So it is not a complete meaning, it is not a complete, you can say, idea. So for that, what we need to do, what actually means of sentence. So but what does it mean by complete sense? As you can see, the sky is blue. Yes, now we understood, okay, what actually this example means. The sky is, no, here as you can see, the sky is blue. Yes, now we know that they are talking about the sky, and the sky is blue. So it means it gives us complete meaning, it makes a complete sense. Now the second one, he writes a story. Okay, fine. So here he writes what? Basically means that he writes a story. So this is a complete, you can say, a complete meaning, a complete idea. No, this is actually a sentence which give you a complete meaning, a complete thought, a complete sense. That is called a sentence. Fine. Okay, now what we are going to do now further, as we have done sentence, now we will do a kinds of sentence. Now for that, why we should learn this? What is the purpose behind it? Okay, because these different kinds of sentence in English allow us to express ourselves clearly. Fine. Using a variety of sentence, if we use in our writing, you can say it will aid interesting, and other you can say it will help us to create your ideas effectively. And then the second thing, you can communicate very clearly, effectively, and you can express your feelings in different tones as well. So it is important to know the function of each type of sentence, so that can make you can say your writing interesting. So what are the kinds of sentence? Okay, there are four kinds, you can say basic four kinds of sentence, and they are, okay, so these four basic kinds of sentence are very, you can say, very necessary for the writing and speaking as well. And we can you can say make our writing interesting by these four kinds of sentence. So the first one is declarative sentence, the second is interrogative sentence, the third imperative sentence, and fourth one is exclamation sentence. So yes, we will now read discuss one by one these kinds of sentence, then we will be able to know their each kind function, that why this one is used for what purpose, the second one is used for what purpose, and the third imperative sentence is used for what purpose. So let's start our main topic.